I'm Siobhan Cruz and I'm here with Mood Society, and today we're going to do a little care and maintenance for our sewing machines. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure you remove the foot pedal and unplug your wires from the electrical outlet. Next, you want to make sure you have a brush, a lint brush. This is actually a really cool tool that's 3-in-1. It comes with a lint brush, a bobbin picker, and a needle inserter. And it's on the website, on Mood's website. It's product number 323884. So this is really good to have handy. You'll also need tweezers and a screwdriver. These actually come with most sewing machines, so you should have these already available. I would also suggest having a little bowl or something that you can put your accessories in once you take everything off of the machine. You'll also need a dry cloth or something that you can wipe down the surface of your machine when you're done. Now let's take a closer look. Now I'm going to remove all of the thread and attachments that may be on the sewing machine and put them in my little bowl and just put it to the side for now. Remove the needle. Press a foot and the attachment. Now I'm going to remove the needle plate cover as my manual instructed, and I'm going to remove the bobbin. Now I'm going to use my lint brush to actually start brushing out some of the lint. And you can see there's some lint coming off. Now we're going to go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to remove the needle plate. And this machine is a top loading machine, so I want you to take a little bit closer look. And I'm going to try to lift out the dust instead of brushing it further in for top loading. See all the lint's coming right off. Some people may like to use air can to spray the dust away, but I don't suggest doing that because you can actually push the lint further into the machine, making it more difficult to clean. Now I'm removing the bobbin case. And as you can see, there's a lot of dust and lint built up. So I'm going to lift that out. And you see how this brush just grabs the lint? You want to be very careful when cleaning the hook and bobbin area because you don't want to push the dirt further in. There's a little stubborn piece that you can't quite get to, and so you just use your tweezer to try and pick it out. So now, with my machine, that's about as far as I'm going to go because that's what's recommended in my manual. Every machine is different, so just check your manual and see if it mentions anything about oil and where to put the oil in your machine. Usually, on most machines, if you notice right down in here, there may be a wick where you would drop one little drop of oil and then use your hand wheel to turn and lubricate this area right here. Maybe a good idea to take a picture of everything before you remove it so you know exactly where you're putting your pieces once you put everything back together. Machines also come with a storage bin that's already attached to the machine. You can remove this part as well. And dust out this area. And it's also a good idea to have maybe another additional storage case like this to hold all of your accessories so things don't get misplaced or broken, because using broken attachments on your machine can cause much more damage. Now I'm going to put everything back. All of my accessories I'm going to attach back to the machine and give it one last wipe down. Now for the surface of your machine, you want to use a dry or damp cloth just to wipe away any smudges or dust that may have accumulated while you were cleaning the inside. If you're using a computerized machine, try not to get any moisture in this area because you don't want to damage the buttons and the digital functions. Once you've given your machine a good wipe down, it's time to store her away until your next project. Use your machine cover and just cover up until next time.